I was trying to use Happyhorse to generate videos, and luckily for me, I've been able to generate using Happyhorse for free. And that's the reason why I want to show you in this video step by step on how you can achieve this. And not just that, you can also use Seedance 2.0 for absolutely free. And in this video, I'm going to show you 2 platforms you can use to generate videos unlimited, absolutely free. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to sign up to this platform. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can literally use this. I'm going to leave the link, okay, so they can follow along. So check the description and then let's do it together. I want to guide you through step by step. If you miss any step at this point, you will not get the desired result. Awesome. Now select the email of your choice. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use this email that I've not used on this platform before. So it has to be a new email. All right, your email. Go ahead and continue. Now, once this is done, what I'm going to do, you need to follow this step by step so that you don't miss any part of this. Okay, so at this moment, you are going to be presented with this. Please review and accept the Google terms. I mean, you can take your time and fill up this. Okay, so once you fill up your details, sometimes you'll be required to scan this, and most times you don't have to scan in anything. So at this moment, I'm going to go ahead and scan this with my phone right now. So I'm going to scan it from here. Okay. Now this verification is to confirm that you are human. All right. And once you've entered everything and you scan this in your mobile phone, go ahead and click that accept. Now, you're not going to start anything. Just go ahead and close this particular box that is popping up here. Now at this moment you're already on the interface. Now ignore this credit that is here. Rather, this is what you are going to do here. You're going to type in this. I'm going to leave in the description of this video also, so just copy it and paste. All right, so we are going to search for this. Now once this comes up, watch what is going to happen. Look down here, you're going to see the tour is here. Awesome. So this is what you're going to do. Just scroll down. Okay, this method works both your mobile phone and your PC, so it's the same thing. You see 20 minutes, right? Go ahead and click this arrow that is here. Now once you click this arrow, watch what I'm going to do next. This step is very crucial. So once you are here, you're going to see start. So go ahead and click this start. Once you click this start, this is going to pop up for you to verify if you are literally human. So go ahead and click I'm not a robot, and then go through this. Once this is done correctly, go ahead and verify. Once it's done correctly, you'll be verified that you are human. Starting, you can see this. Wait a while. You're going to see this is going to pop up. Beautiful. This is what we are going to be using to log in to use Happyhorse for free. Look up, you're going to see these 3 dots where you have to open new incognito window. Now once you open here, you're going to go ahead and paste the name of the next website. Okay, that is the platform we are going to be using to generate images and videos. Right now, once you log in, I'm going to leave the link to this in the description of this video, but if you can see this, follow along. Let's do it together. Awesome. So this is your incognito window. Beautiful. So when you open this up, the first interface you're going to see, right, is going to be this. What you need to do is simply close this. Once you close it, look up, you're going to say sign in to get 66 free credits and check it out. Okay, so go ahead and accept all and then go ahead and check it out. Beautiful. So here you're going to see sign in with Google. You're going to go ahead and click it. This is the part you don't have to miss in this video. Awesome. Go back to your skill. That is this platform here. Come back here. Then you're going to see your username. Copy this username. Head back again to your incognito window. Paste it here as your email. Go ahead and click next. Then you're going to see the next box is going to be enter your password. Go ahead, go back again and copy this password here, right? And head back again to the second window. Beautiful. Now you are here. Go ahead and click next. Now if you have any error message popping up, okay, while you are trying to do this, what you need to do is to retry it again. But if you've done it and it's successful just like this, go ahead and click I understand. Okay, so this method works and it's literally free and unlimited. Awesome. So just go ahead and continue from here, and we are going to access this beautiful platform here that will enable us to use login successful. Beautiful. So 66 credits added, and we have this free credit. Awesome. So here, this is the interface, Happyhorse. So we are going to go ahead and generate video from here. Click on that generate video, And here you can see, here you see you have reference mode, we have first frame mode. So if you have any reference mode, you can go ahead and upload any reference image of your choice, and then you paste your prompt here. And if you come down here, you're going to see Happyhorse 1.1 and Happyhorse 1.0. So you can literally select any one. Now let's see how much credit this platform is going to cost us to generate using any of these two models. So if this video was helpful, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so don't miss my next upload. So let's see how much credit this platform literally used for creation, and we're also going to see the quality of video on this platform. So let's do this together, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give a simple prompt here just to see how much credit this is going to cost us. Now this is going to cost us 36 credits, and we have this number of credit. Beautiful. But you can literally select this. Okay, you can select this 1.1 and see, let's see if it's the same. 1.1 Happyhorse 1.1 is 27 credits. You can see this, right? And Happyhorse 1.0 is 36 credits. Beautiful. So you can use any one of your choice, and you come here, you're going to see your aspect ratio, where you have to select your aspect ratio. So for me, I'm going to use 16:9, and here is 720p resolution, and for here this is 5 seconds, and 5 seconds cost us 27 credits. So this 5 seconds, you can literally increase it to see how much credit is going to consume. You can increase it to 10 seconds to see 54 credits, and we have 66 credits here free. And here we have just one video, okay, because we are using it for free. You can only use only one video, but if you are subscribed, you have the privilege to generate up to 4 versions, like 4 variations. So and in no time our video is ready, and we are going to preview this together. You tell me what you think about this in the comment section of this video, and this is exactly 6 seconds as I requested. This is absolutely mind-blowing. It came with a sound, and the quality is excellent, guys. So go ahead and try this out. So once you are cool with this, now go ahead and download this with brand watermark. Okay, that is for free users. So this is going to be downloading with the watermark. Okay, so let's say we want to download it without the watermark. Let's see if this method is going to work. So copy the link. Okay, click on this share and copy the link. Then let's head back. So quickly, I'm going to go ahead and paste the link here. Awesome. So the video is here, and then let's see if we can download this. You can see here there is no watermark here, but let's see if we can download this. Save video as. See this, right? Save video as. Go ahead and save this video. See if it's going to play. I'm going to play for us to see. I am so surprised that this platform is still free as at the moment I'm making this video. Now let's go ahead and use Seedance 2.0 on this platform. All right, so here you can see we have Grok AI video generator on this platform, right? And you can literally change it to any type of module of your choice. So let's see if it's literally going to work. So I'm going to see that view all. Once you click that view all, okay, whenever you have all this pop-up, just close it. Okay, all right, so let's see what we can use here. Now once you go down, you're going to see close this. You're going to see AI video generator from text. You see AI video generator from image. So if you want image to video, okay, you can use here. If you want text to video models, you can use here. All right, this is using Veo 3.1, and here is Seedance 2.0 video generator. Let's go ahead and use this. Click on this sim or any of the sim, or go ahead and paste the prompts here, and I mean everything is in order. And I'm going to click this to select you can click here, you see Sedans, and then leave it at Seedance 2.0, and then the number of video variation, leave it at 1 so that we don't waste credit. All right, then here you can go ahead and select landscape, but you can enhance your prompt if you want. I mean, it's a choice. So here is text to video. Okay, so go ahead and hit generate, and immediately it will start generating, and our result is here. And this platform uses 8 seconds. And if you are cool with this, go ahead and hit these 3 dots and download. If you've watched it this time, let me know in the comment section the platform you love the most. Remember, I'm still doing my research. More platforms are coming. I'll keep putting it out there for you. If this video was helpful in any way, like the video. Don't forget to drop me a nice comment and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell of this channel so don't miss my next upload. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.